What if your favorite pet woke up one morning as a human? Sounds wild, right? Well, AI just made that possible, and today I'm showing you how to do it for free. Welcome back to the channel, your go-to place for viral AI fun, cool tech tricks, and trends you'll want to try immediately. Today's video is part adorable, part hilarious, and all magic. Warning, this might just become your new addiction. From Barbie boxes to AI avatars, the internet can't stop transforming. But now, people are turning their pets into humans. Yup, your dog, your cat, even your goldfish as people, and it's actually amazing. Let's get into it. First, head over to chatopenai.com, link in the description below, and log into your free ChatGPT account. I recommend using a desktop browser. It's smoother when uploading images. Pro tip, no fancy tools, no paid subscriptions, just your pet and your imagination. Next, click the plus icon near the chat box and upload a photo of your favorite pet. I'm using my golden doodle, Maxie, a cuddly goofball with serious model potential. And hey, if your pet refuses to pose, you can even use an AI-generated pet pic. Nobody's judging. Now for the magic words. My prompt is simple. Turn this image of my good-looking dog into a human version of him. ChatGPT replies, to create a human version of your good-looking dog in this beach photo, I'd love to get a sense of your vision. Here are a couple of directions we can take from the options below. When AI starts asking about your pet's vibe, you know you're in for a treat. Well, I will make a custom response apart from the suggestions above. Maxie is playful, calm, and loves cuddles from loved ones. Let's see how that translates to a human. And ChatGPT is so amazing, asking one more question. Just to lock in the look. How do you want the human version of Maxie to be? I will just put in a kid. You can put in whatever you want. Okay, here we go. It's processing. And no way. Look at that. The hair, the eyes. Maxie, is that you in HR at Google? Admit it. You'd totally be friends with this version of your pet. Let's go again. This time I'm using my other pet, Pistachio. Mischievous, elegant, low-key James Bond vibes. I type, use this picture to create a human version. He's curious, clever, and a little sassy. Boom, look at him. He's giving detective in a French movie energy. I'm obsessed. You can even customize the result. Want to add a hoodie, sunglasses, a tiny pet collar on your human? Just ask. Okay, wow. ChatGPT really went off. The vibe totally shifted. It's giving fashion-forward dog parent. Who knew AI had so much drip? Now it's your turn. Pick your favorite pet, give ChatGPT a few clues, and boom! You've got a humanized version ready for Instagram. Post your results in the comments. I might feature the funniest or cutest ones in my next video. Smash that like button if this made you smile. Subscribe for more fun tech tricks. And don't forget, your pet might just be your soulmate, in disguise.